This is a video trying to get in this door. Brief explanation is it's still too tight. It's not centered. The stairs are crooked, which Forest River, said were bad. You were going to replace them, but you can't because you don't have that size anymore. Well, so you think this door is fixed by pushing more insulation in there. That's hard to even get that to open because there's so much pressure put on the latch. It's still way too tight. It's still pulling away, pulling the door apart. It's pulling the door apart. As I stated from the first visit. Now this is too much for a disabled man especially, but anybody else. Jeremy, I specifically told you these screws were stripped and that the door would not open. As you can see, it does not work correctly. It is 2 steps to open this door and get in here. That is not acceptable, period, and you know it. Still making marks, making marks, making marks. So replacing this with all this thick, all that did was make the door tighter to close and open. You haven't solved one problem, and in fact, I don't know if you made it worse is the problem, but I showed that the stairs were not flush and east. I mean, this is Forest River. This is what you're proud of.